So I need to. You see how it does this, and then it does this. Um. Yeah. No. Bad. So what needs to happen is I'm not even really going to do this like select line thing anymore. Hopefully it'll. I'm not gonna delete all of it. Maybe I was like being a little bit too dramatic. I'm not gonna delete all of this. What I am gonna do is take this away. How this is pulling this in, I don't like it. In the same way that this pulls in. Oh gosh. Wait, what? Oh, I'm doing things on lines that don't have problems. Never mind. In the same way that I'll pull up a line and it has a problem, like boom, but then this line doesn't have a problem because it doesn't have any problems right now. I need to do the same thing, but in this field right here. I think I like this faceless stream stuff. This is pretty cool. Um, I feel less pressure on me. I feel a little bit more talkative. I feel a little bit more comfortable. Um, so yeah. Um, the bottom component is using the select line, not the middle. Indubitably. Now, what I'm gonna do? This line selector has to leave, and what has to happen is wait. Uh, what is this gonna say? Changeover in progress? No. Actually, else. I don't have any more. Oh gosh. Oh, that's how you configure it. Ew, interesting. Anyways, I don't have any more things. Code completions. Now I don't know how to. Dang it. Div. Hello. Please don't. What? Wait, what? What? Uh, how did I mess this up? How did I? What? How you doing, Sizzle? How you doing, Sizzle? I saw a lot of stuff in the Discord. Hopefully the WordPress thing is going well. Is it at else? Ooh, awesome. Starting change over for selected line dot name. Dang it. Let's see what it says. Oh gosh. This selected line is saying what? What was that noise? What was that noise? Ooh, look who's streaming. Let's just watch the stream. Please don't throw an error. Please don't throw an error. Wait, what? Does this work? Please work. Please. Oh gosh. Start. Huh? Oh. What if? What if I'm just doing this wrong? What if I don't do that? I just say, um, what would be um, can I use a template literal here? Please let me use a template literal. Please. Why? Why are you? Oh. Dollar sign that one, and then close it, and then is that how you would do it in here? Selected line. Um, name. Does that work? Getter. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's the line name. Yeah, Getter. This is why you make the big bucks. Let's see. Or that one. Oh gosh, my app is broken. Okay. So like, ooh, I want this now because I'm passing it in through this selected line ID, but I want the name selected line doc. How about this? Dot name, please work. Oh my gosh. Wait. Tried that. And this is what it did. It's not gonna work. Or or no. Dang it, doc. Yeah, that's what I was about to console log. Um, what does this say? Ew. Okay, so let me go in here. Selected line is the initial is null. This dot selected line. I'm getting it from what's the ng on a knit? I think that's the real um that's the real thing that I need to do is not get all of the lines, not like this. What I need to do is get the line. So in here, I need, I need. Every time I say I need, I cannot get that SpongeBob episode out of my brain. It's just, it's just stuck in my brain. Um, I'll try to do types properly. Try. This is a learning experience, by the way. Um, so what is about to be passed in is, wait a minute. Let me try something. This is being passed in selected line ID. I want to see what that says. Uh, yes. Yeah. 390. Wait, 392 is doing that. Okay. Okay. We're getting somewhere. So, is this going to show up as something different? It does. Great. Now, get docs. Um, the line could get all of them. Now find the doc. Const selected line. And this doesn't exist anymore. I need to delete this. You. Bye. Oh, wait. Sorry. Sorry, I'm new here. I'm new here. Sorry. Hold up. Hold up. Wait. Stop. Selected line. Actually, I'm not gonna return anything just yet. Equal. Crap. This is so weird. Programming without what is that called? Copilot. The line the code completions. Um, it's a really weird experience, and like I'm waiting for it to just mess me up. And I think I like this kind of programming, but I think I can get used to this kind of programming. No face, no AI. I like it. I I'm digging it. I'm digging it. All right. So yes. Um. I mean, technically, it's still there. Technically, it's like I'm gonna put my camera back on next stream. Wait, have I? Wait, I haven't used AI, have I? Yet? Right? Right? I mean, besides me accidentally opening up Claude, I haven't used I haven't used it yet. I'm gonna go all stream without using it. I'm gonna see if I can remember. And if I ever get tripped up, like right now, I'm just gonna go to the docs, which is what I'm gonna do right now. I need to get one document, not get all documents. I need to get one document. So that copy paste, uh, that I think life is a lot easy. Oh gosh. Wait, wait. I'm doing this all wrong. Wait. I'm doing this all wrong. Because I don't have this, this is gonna look weird. What is in the place of get docs? Oh gosh. So what would be this sucks. Hold up. I'm huh? Wait, Firestore. Have I imported Firestore yet? Yes. So why hmm, and testing Facebook. I need to get one. Let's try it. I don't know what this is gonna say. Um, I guess Put in both? I don't know which one it is. And I'm looking for this one. I need to just switch back to like the regular SDK for Firebase because Angular Fire is disgusting. Or am I already? Nope. Nope. Or wait, this is what I could do so I don't get confused. Uh, Angular Fire, not off. Firestore. Um, inject. What's the difference between it's okay. Angular Fire is supposed to be tailored for Angular, but like it's different, and I think it's outdated. I'm not sure. I mean, like the last thing was 2 months ago, but I think it's using like a different older version of Firebase that isn't like up to date like the regular SDK is. Like it has to be maintained apart from the regular Firebase. Even though Google is the one that's making all this crap, it's confusing. But yeah, I was using Angular Fire to try to keep it all in house and like streamline the whole thing. Man, this is not streamlined at all. It's actually like multiple streams. Sucks. Um, is there anywhere in here? Oh my gosh. Huh? Oh wait, so I can just do that. But what's my database? What's my database? No. Uh no. Where am I getting everything from? This dot firestore. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. I'm about to cook. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Dang it. Have I not imported it? It's there. Huh. So that's not throwing an error anymore. This is get out of here. Doc ref. What does this say again? To get one of them. Says it's still the same API though, so most of the usage is going to be the same. Also, they don't use a crazy outdated version. It's May. It's like a different syntax, and it's hard to like. I don't know. I just don't like it. Not as much as I like using like the raw, um, Firebase SDK. Yeah. Um. Wait a minute. Could I just say get doc here? And I'm just gonna comment this out. Why would this? I'm getting it from that collection, and I need this. Is it because? Huh? Like, which doc am I pulling it from? Do I say get doc? What the heck? I'm so confused. It says it's overloaded, and I don't know what overloaded means. Import doc. Uh huh. Uh huh. Uh huh. of type string? So it needs a. That's not real. That's not accurate at all. But different arguments, function code still doesn't make sense to me. Is not assignable to type to parameter of type collection reference. Huh? Why would that be reading? It's two collection references. Collection reference. Oh, I guess DB of a DB. Oh, and then three is a document. Hmm. Hmm. It's probably gonna do like the it needs three arguments thing. Ah, crap. Oh. Argument of type Firestore is not assignable to parameter of type that. Type Firestore is missing the following properties. Why would that do that? Because let me scroll up and see what I'm pulling. Inject Firestore. Huh. How about this? How about wait, because I'm already pulling in lines. Um, hmm, no. It's not the right Firestore. So look at ducks. Oh, their Firestore is a DB, and that is like the raw credentials. But like also that would come from where is this at? Is it my app.ts? It's one of the config, this one, this. And this these credentials are provided from here. So basically, whenever I would be using like the raw, I'm just gonna go back to like React stuff. Whenever I'm using DB, I'm doing this, but I'm exporting it as a variable. So then I can import it into other files like this, and then go about it like that, and just use the DB like this, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. This would be all my credentials. Then I do this in my config file, and then I export it as DB, a const DB. And then I can just use it wherever I want to. This is the same thing. How? Because if I console log my lines, hold up, then I would never be able to get the selected line ID. Look, if I do that, how am I able to get my lines? Wait. Oh, wait. Hold up. Maybe it's this. I don't have to do that. Maybe. What the heck? No, this is the issue. Huh. Okay, it isn't. So is it possible for me to do that? Because if I, oh gosh, all of my credentials, database ID. So I'm able to do that. Huh? Huh? I'm able to do that. It pulls something, but like, that's not possible. What does that do? Hmm? Whoa! Well, hold up. So from all of this, dot app dot what? It says, uh, no, that's not even a thing. That no options dot database. What the heck? Okay. Uh, Oh, whoops, whoops. Yuck. What the heck? And what does this say? It's not a collection reference. Maybe if I do that, but now, or nothing. What the heck? Okay. Super simple explanation of overloading. As an example, having a function called print, I can do print blah to print blah once or another version. Both functions share the same name but accept different arguments and have different code. Do you I'd rather not right now. I that no. Hmm. 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 Because you're telling. All right, I may end this stream. Honestly. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. You told me to go into my code base and then say that I'm not reading the docs. Yeah, this stream may be ended, bruh. This stream may be ended. Oh, let's go. Um, how would I? But if I literally have the tab open, I'm being told to go into my code base. How about this? Hold up. Great. Now, um, you are most definitely right. Um, how about I just reference my just to do that? What if I just reference my collection and see what happens? I mean, I've already done it though. That's the crazy part. I've already done it. This I've already done, but it's up here. This is this line, but I'm using the DB, and this is the DB. All right. Yeah, I'm just letting y'all do whatever y'all want to in chat. Dang it. Okay, wait. What if I do that? Or what do these privates do? Because maybe. What if that's just that? What if I can go back, do const doc ref doc this. Well, let's just say Firestore. No, this dot Firestore, comma lines collection, comma selected line ID. Nothing. Whoa! So these privates have nothing to do with it. Cool. Let's go down here again. Is there over the? I've already done. We've already established that overloading, and it's not being passed in the way that I want to. Or wait, something about wait. No, where do you see that at? Dang it! It's I've read that already, dude. All right, yeah, I'm probably gonna go ahead and yeah, I'm not. This instantly just became not fun or interesting. Uh, 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 uh. This one. How so? Is it because this has to be? Oh, wait a minute. But does it have to be a string? Because this is like a collection data, whatever this is. Does it have to be a string? I was assuming that this was like supposed to just be a like assume that it was a. Oh, I'm using TypeScript. Crap. Wait. How would I dot? Huh? No. No. Here. Where is this at? This is doing this. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? To the Discord, that is. But what's up? Sorry for the facial stream today. Mm, 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 mm. That's not even gonna work. Ooh. What if I use what I learned last time? Dang it. It's one of these. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. How would I make this into a string? Actually, wait a minute. Crap. Oh, whoops. Let me kill it. So, whenever it does that, huh? What if, okay, huh? Now, that, no, dot, oh, app dot options dot, huh? No, no. So it's not gonna be one of these, I don't think. Huh? No. So what is the error saying now? No, no. Huh? Because this is the ID, so that's a string. I know that much. That's a string too. So the part about this is that it's still reading it as an overload, and I don't know why. Is missing the following properties from. Hmm? Wait, if I go back to here, would it update that too? Nope. Hmm. Hmm. Let's think about this. Firestore, Firestore, path string. Gave the following error. Gave the following error. Here. Oh, really? What's up, Holy? Let me try this real quick. Oh, wait. Oh, never mind. If we go to the docs, where in the docs? Oh, let me try that too. Now, also, let's try this. Crap. Oh, thank you, Holy. Hmm. That is not how I would do that. What the heck? Well, I guess because which arguments? Hmm. Which is the ID part. So add it back, you mean? Or where? What do you mean? This collection ID. So lines collection dot the well, I mean, this is working because I got the reference right here. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. And like I said, this is just a one-time thing. I'll have my camera on tomorrow. Well, I can have my camera on right now. It's just IRL stuff. I need my phone handy dandy. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, at any moment. Because when I'm using my phone, sometimes I may get a phone call. Man. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I mean, before you got here, it was a little bit dicey. It was a little bit dicey, but you know, thanks for being so cool, dude. Thanks for being so cool. It's hard to find something nowadays. So CLG, I'll just put document data equals doc snap. Wait, ID doc dot ID and doc snap dot data. Crap. Wait. What if I just do that? Please work. Please. Please. All right. I got everything that I wanted. Cool. Great. Awesome. Now is the part where I tear this entire form up. Oh, this is going to be glorious. Okay. So from here, I assign How would I? Well, does it ever assign anything to this? No. Crap. So now I'm worried about scope. Um. Hmm. Where's that being used at? Okay. Equals all of these. Let's just do that. And then, or could I? This doesn't see it, can it? No, it doesn't see that. Crap. So how would I? This scope sucks. Fine, I'll just take it off. Does not exist. Return. Now, CLG it. Do that. Const. And then, wait. I mean, I mean, this selected line, I don't think it's being used anymore. Oh gosh, where's my, hey, hey. Oh, I never deleted this. That's pretty cool. Um, my selected line. This selected line. A lot of this stuff, I don't know. I think I'm gonna change instead of current line. I'm gonna go ahead and just go like I'm gonna do this equals y. Y may only specify known properties and ID does not exist in type writable. Man, fine. Where all am I using this at? Where is this being a writable something? The heck? I mean, it's only a signal. Or it's just happening in yeah. Mm, it's so cool that I like figured out how to like pass things through to other components like React. I never knew I could do this. Oh. I suck. I suck. Okay. I was like, why? Never mind. Never mind. Oh, more coffee. Psych. So from here, in this selected line, I want to do name. How about that? Would you let me do that? Please, Angular. Still Getter. Actually, I think it's going crazy. I think it's staled out. Stalled out. Refresh. Because it's reading it as if it is populated. Oh. Oh. That. Sorry. Kill it. Bring it back. We did it. All right. So here it is. And I'm pulling in this. Is this a. Ow. I hate getting old. Okay. So I'm looking for the doc data. Toggle changeover status. Not likely. Wait. Wait. Current changeover. If there is a current changeover, I may get rid of all of this. Like all of this. This is current. Wait, where is this at? Where am I using this at? Uh, huh? So on this snapshot, what are you talking about? What do you mean? Oh gosh, there's so much stuff that I need to just like. I don't know if I need to keep this or delete it. And like, I'm looking at my past decisions, and I don't know what this is saying. Well, Claude's past decisions. And I don't know what this is saying. So I'm keeping this name, but I'm uh wait, should I? I should keep this. But this is kind of redundant. Check for one, and this is redundant. There's a check for one, and then there's a where is it? This right here says is changeover active. Oh, that's a variable. Never mind. I was like, what? Still, this is being set in this function. So what I'm gonna do is no longer a query. It's not actually a long function, but there's a lot of important data in here. What I'm gonna start out with is using the selected line, that one. If this dot selected line dot current change over is equal to null, uh return. Oh, what was a variable? Oh gosh. Oh wait. Is changeover active dot set? I forgot my code. Hold up. Oh, just set it to true or false. Change if it has it because oh, that's it. Why would you do this to me? Oh, wait. I'm taking all of this out because this is no longer dynamic. Well, it kind of is, but isn't. Now, this is a long one. I lost it. And load at catch. Cannot find. What are you talking about? Huh? I might just go ahead and delete you. Bye. Oh, no. Uh, you know what I need to do is make a command. Should it be, oh gosh, that or, or, which command should it be? Long story short, it's for my day job. It's something that's helping me like get better and like teach other people how to do things at my day job. But I'm using software to solve it, even though I'm not really good at software, obviously. So I'm trying to build something that will help not only me, but others at my company and in the industry at large. So yeah. Thermoforming to be exact. Like plastics manufacturing. If you go out to eat, the to go trays, the uh uh these not these. Well, I guess these, but wait, wait, wait. Google, why are you failing me? Well, I guess these. These to be exact. But also currently, yeah. Also, right now I'm making stuff like this. Same thing. Well, not same thing, but like same science. Let me just say that. Same science. So, yeah. Before I go live again, I'm gonna have a command that's like project or current or like something so that it's like a cool like summarization of like what I'm building. Hopefully it's gonna help. Mm. They could. It may not be the most efficient thing, but they could technically just make an entire cooling tower of paper plates. That's the real recycling. So this up here, what the heck? Oh, so everything down here. Oh, I must be missing a Oh, oh. Now what's the other one? Where are you? Hey, you. Do I need another one? Oh gosh, no, no. What's the error? Oh, I need a catch. Man, catch these. Bang. Oh, thank you, Ever. Uh, what's supposed to go in a try catch? I forgot. Or it's supposed to be like an air handling something, but I forgot. Try that. Um, and then CLG something went wrong. OG. All right. How about how about what the heck? Please. Oh, my bad. I'm old. I was like, why is that throwing an error? But never mind. Oh, I do need a colon. I mean, everyone needs a colon, technically. So, this is my next thing that is upsetting me. And by me, I mean the linter. Current changeover. Why would this? Why? What? Huh? This doesn't make sense. Or, I'm just praying that this works, and it doesn't. Hmm. I wonder why sometimes that works and sometimes it doesn't. I'm just not using it right, I don't think. Yeah, this is not how that goes. Yeah, that's not how that goes. I mean, name is a thing in there. ID? It's not gonna read anything in here. Oh, I hate this. I I hate signals, man. It's that pesky parentheses. Hmm. So if the current changeover is null, or what does that say? These things have to have and like stay because you know what's gonna happen when I refresh this. It's gonna go right back. Like, oh, they fixed it. Oh, thank you, Google. My eyes. All right. Dot exists. Um, let's do this. Or dot that. How about that? If it's null, set it to false. Else, um, do that. What? You mean like this? See what's gonna happen is see, I'm a pro, I'm an expert in how prettier will mess everything that I want up. Watch. Once I save this, watch. It's not possible. That's probably the only thing that I'm an expert in is just knowing how prettier works and just accepting it and just moving on into deeper waters that I don't even understand. But prettier is gonna mess some stuff up. I mean, I kind of like prettier though. I don't mind this. Actually, I kind of prefer this. 'Cause like if I'm reading this, it's like, okay, or and then I go to the next line. Nah. This, if I had it the other way, I could get lost. Not lost. Well, for me, lost. Just read this line and be like, that's the only condition, blah, 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 blah. And then go down here and just assume that this is part of this. And no, it's not. So, oh yeah, I know that one. It was like ES dash lint dash prettier ignore next line. I think that's the thing. Or is that the ES lint ignore? Something. It just makes my code base look ugly. What? What do you mean? Oh, that's what that does. If it's null and it doesn't exist, set it to false and throw an error. Oh, wait. In this case, because I'm not used to like try catches and stuff, instead of doing return, is this where I do throw an error? Because I've never seen throw error. Okay, but that's the same thing. Because if I throw an error, then it gets caught by the catch, and then I'm able to console. Oh, not the same thing. Oh, my bad. See, this is what I'm saying. I only know pretty, or I don't know anything else. Um, return. Then how can I make things get caught? Then why not do that? Huh? All right, hold up. Because now this is, I think this is what I want, but I'm getting. Uh, oh no, no, huh? Oh. Oh, it's capitalized. Never seen the capital. I think I have seen the capitalized one. I just don't know. It's what's the difference between the lowercase error and this error? Oh, whoops. The newer era. The younger era. The more physically fit era. The one that never skips leg day era. Oh, class. Okay. Oh, okay. That's gonna delve into a topic that I don't understand. Never mind. Oh gosh. Actually, wait. If I let me go to my if I go here, if I do this, um, um, uh, no, not no. Let's do that now. You haven't a changeover, OG, and then selected line. I really do like programming without Copilot in my face on every single keystroke. I like this kind of programming. I like how the dinosaurs did it. This is pretty cool. Wait, something is still going wrong, OG. You know what's crazy? I'm also a dinosaur. It's just for some reason I got hooked to that co-pilot. Hmm? Are you gonna load now? No. What went wrong? This exists is not a function. All right, fine, fine. Let's just do this. What? So if I like it or not, it's gonna throw this, or is this something different? Oh, that's something different. Five. Is changeover active? Uh, is that what I want? I think that's what I want. This is now reading something different because the other one was reading at like HTML line 5. So let me go to 152. Changeover dot value. What? 133? Is that what you're saying? Start a changeover. Oh. Oh. I don't want that. Leave me alone. Oh, no, not that one. And I guess that one and that one. Just to stop these error. Oh my gosh. Huh. Error starting changeover. No, 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 no. See, y'all always just assume that things are just human readable. What is this? I guess I what is calling the name? The name is I don't know what I'm doing. A gin. It's some. You know what? That. How about that? How about wait? How about this? Yeah. How about that? Hmm. Hmm? Hmm? You like that? You like that? Oh, how can I comment this out without commenting this out? I don't like HTML. Ah, dang it. Wait, what about the pointer thingies? Hey, you. What the heck? Um, oh no. All right, hold up. Huh? Okay. I guess I just have to keep this here or not. Or not. All right. Save both of these. I want to clean up my console so bad. I'm just commenting everything out. And it got worse. It got worse. How is this HTML this bad? Is it because I'm using this? We'll go back. Huh? Huh? It got worse. I don't want to program anymore. This sucks. I suck. Wait, what is this new error? Could I kill it and then bring it back? And then hope that everything that I've done clears this console. I don't even want warnings. I just want all gray. You know what? Fine. Oh, wait. Is changeover active? Set it to false. What if I... Oh, the default is false. So what? How's it reading null if the... Huh? Wait. I'm not gone, but I'm gone. Hold up. I'm not gone, but I'm gone. Give me a second. No, I'm not on the phone. I'm here. I need to turn my camera back on. Hold up. And if I turn I'm on my phone, but if I turn my camera back on, I can't use my phone because my phone is in use. Uh, oh, I can always text off my iPad. I'm not texting off an iPad. Um, why? Okay, sorry, sorry. Uh, uh, I'm looking at my phone, but then I looked up and I was like, why is my viewer count going up? I don't understand it. Now I'm back. Time to go back down, please. Hello. Hello. Um, how about we do the weird thing about this is, okay, on startup, what's my NG on in it? Changeover form, get line. The line is selected. Wait. Huh? And this, a new error? Oh, this sucks. Huh? Why is this bad? Why would this be bad? Is it because line, start, change, what? Start, line, huh? If it doesn't have a value, um, uh, there's nowhere in there. How about these? I don't know. I'm just trying something. It should work like that though. It really should. Oh, wait a minute. I deleted it. It's not going to have one. Oh, I deleted it. So What this be? I guess I would say di no. Well, and would that be an NG value? NG value equals selected line. Why is there an error? Since is it a known property of div? I know it is. So hello. How about that? Oh gosh. Text arena. This sucks. Select. Select. Oh, sorry. Select. Disabled. Option. 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 Take that. I don't need that value. I need that. And then dot selected line. Remember that. I need to like remember to do that from now on. How about that? Does this clean up my console? It does not. Is this even in the form? Oh, it is. Default selected. Huh? Huh? And let me do this just to make sure. Because one of these two things is going to work. It's not going to work. I miss use effect. Mm, 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 mm. You can't be serious. What is the problem with it? Ah, got you. Got you. All right. It's always the smallest things. Angular is so picky. Oh, I don't like this framework at all. Ugh. I'm exhausted, like just mentally pooped. So I don't need that anymore. What I need is this. Oh, oh no. What line is that? Oh, this one. It's active. True. Set it to that. In time. Who knows? Delete that. Created at that company that. Start time. That's redundant. Uh, so from here, and let me just check the other ones because they don't have this. You start a changeover. No changeover. Something went wrong, OG. All right. But in changeover. Mm, looks good. Data is flowing. Data is flowing. Let me take this ID. Plop it right there. 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 Yes. So if a line has one, this is the crazy part, and it's probably gonna mess up. I'm gonna mess up a lot. But this is the hard part that I said was gonna be ugly. Um, Even though it's kind of been ugly for the past hour and a half. Where's this at? Oh, oh. This. Okay, so I missed my old code already. I want to just like Control Z back to what I had. Oh, wait a minute. I have GitHub. Mm, I mean, like on stream? Where is this at? Where's my code at? Oh, well. I mean, with how to date has gone, you would probably be a better streamer than I am, honestly. Just by simply existing. Which line? Thank you. 271. It was right here all along. Damn. Are you saying that I'm a yapper? Well, Mike is getting muted. Well, unfortunately, well, I guess it's still an unfortunately. But my goal here is not to entertain. It is literally to document all of my programming mistakes. I guess my mistakes are for your pleasure, for your viewing pleasure, but that's not my goal. My goal is to be like, look forward, or wait, not look forward, look back next year or in 6 months and be like, wow, I used to be so terrible. I mean, I'm still terrible now, but like, I used to be so much worse. So, yeah. Mm, Mm, I don't even have this anymore, do I? Active chain. You know what? Where am I still using this? My head hurts. I don't want to use this anymore. Huh? I don't want to use this anymore. I hope you think in 20 years. Facts. 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 I will be terrible in 20 years. Putting it in stone. Active changeover.id. How about I just use the ID of the. You know what? Hmm? Oh, I need that. I need all of this. Not that one. I need this. Thank you. Thank you. Even though y'all basically cussed me out earlier and talked to me like I was trash, but thank you, thank you, thank you. So I need this. But, huh? Uh, o- Okay. This dot, because I'm getting it here. Can I just set it? This dot changeover form dot set. Eh? Set? For, set. That's not, that's nowhere close to what. Oh, wait. Is this it? Oh, oh, I still need this. I still need this, I think. Because I'm doing a query of all of them. Why would I need to do that? That seems like unnecessary. Why would I need to go over all of my changeovers where I made it and it's active? Huh? How about I just go to the document, the ID of the document, and just what? Maybe I'm misinterpreting how this is supposed to be done. Get in the line, get in the products. Cool. Yes, that all makes sense. All right, changeover form. This dot from and to and what if I just leave this alone? Go down here. Online change. Set them to null if what? Uh, there would be no line change. Oh gosh. I can do this today, but I don't know if I'll be able to do this today because my head hurts. Like it makes sense what I need to do, like at a high level, but like once I look at this code, my head starts hurting because this is all Claude's doing. I blame Claude for all this junk, even though it actually did what I wanted it to do at the time. The purpose has changed, and I'm doing an AI-less stream. Yeah, I'm not doing this. So, um, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. Wait. Give me a second. I don't stream off, or I don't code off stream. So, yeah, yeah. Oh, let me fix that too. But maybe I'll wake up in the middle of the night and continue this. Maybe I continue this tomorrow. I'm not sure. But right now, it's been a long stream, a long day actually, and I'm tired. So